Thank you so much for your patience. I can assure you that we're slowly coming to the end of the event. But don't go anywhere because we still have small doctor in the building. And he'll be performing as well. But we're about to start our second session, and I promise to make this as brief as possible because we have very, very great minds, as I said before, who will be taking on the stage and discussing very important topics in housing. But before I do so, I was just going to call out our keynote speaker to begin the second session. Ladies and gentlemen, your hands are not too busy. Please, a round of applause for Mr. Christopher Lance, the MD and CEO of Golden Trust Capital. A round of applause, please, as he gives his keynote speech as we prepare our next session, which begins in less than 10 minutes. Do we have Mr. Christopher Lance still in the meeting? Mr. Christopher Lance? I believe he's not here, so we're just going to skip the keynote speaking. Oh, okay. So we also want to thank you so much, Mr. Christopher. Before you give the keynote speech, we just want to appreciate the presence of the chairman of Iyaloja. A round of applause for him, please. Thank you so much for coming today and for spending time with us. I'll just hand over to Mr. Lance so he can give his speech. Thank you.
Thanks very much.
And we have a loss of sound. If you're on stage and your bamboo fell off, we have a loss of sound. Just come to the stage on the left side. Thank you.
Yeah, hello everybody. Only arrived late last night, not flight. We about 18 hours to get London yesterday. I've had a lot of prep work, but I know all about what it's like to my business is mainly in property finance, but in industry finance going for over 30 years. Always Mexico. So I'm really pleased to be here today to meet new friends and to meet you all. So, as I said, the UK, my panel, where I talked earlier, there's similar problems in Nigeria. The UK is an island, obviously.